What's the meaning of beauty sleep? Beauty sleep. Beauty sleep.
Beauty sleep. Beauty sleep. Beauty sleep refers to the idea that getting enough sleep is essential for looking attractive and healthy. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates cells and tissues, which can make the skin appear fresher and more youthful. Additionally, lack of sleep can lead to dark eye circles, dry skin, and an overall tired appearance. While there is no set amount of sleep required for beauty benefits, most experts recommend getting at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Good quality sleep, combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, can help promote a glowing complexion and overall well-being.